Hi guys, this is Alpha J4 Beaded Felt Ornaments. For supplies, you'll need templates, felt, scissors, thread, a needle, beads, polyfiber fill, and string. Trace and cut out your felt using the templates. Cut out 2 pieces per ornament. Sew beads onto your felt in the pattern you want. Align your 2 felt pieces with the beads facing out. Make a knotted loop with string. Starting about 1 inch around the rim from the top, stitch around the circle using a blanket stitch. To do this, starting between the 2 pieces of felt, sew through one piece, make a diagonal stitch over the 2, bring the needle through both pieces, and go under the previous stitch before making a new one. When you reach the top, place a loop between the 2 pieces with a knot on the bottom. Continue your blanket stitch around the rim, leaving an opening. Stuff the ornament with polyfiber fill. Stitch the opening closed. Make more in different patterns. And your beaded felt ornaments are done.